Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming that your iPhone 13 Pro Max supports dual SIM, one physical nano SIM and one eSIM. This matters because the phone manages two numbers differently. Once done, make sure iOS is updated and you have the carrier's eSIM QR or activation info available. Now open Settings and tap Cellular. You'll see options to add a cellular plan. Go ahead and scan the QR or enter the details. This starts the dual SIM configuration. After the eSIM is installed, you'll assign labels so you can tell lines apart when calling or texting. Choose primary, secondary, or custom names. Then set your default line for iMessage and FaceTime, and separately pick which line handles mobile data. This prevents unexpected roaming charges. Once configured, Enable allows cellular data switching if you want apps to use either line for data. Make sure to review settings per contact for preferred call line to keep things predictable. Finish by testing both lines. Place calls, send SMS, and use iMessage and mobile data to confirm each number works. This verifies routing and billing. If something fails, restart your iPhone, then remove and re-add the eSIM. That often clears activation hiccups. If problems persist, contact your carrier to confirm provisioning and APN settings. They can push a refresh. Remember, you control which line is primary, so adjust labels and defaults until usage matches your expectations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.